Yeah, I think the students of this class are very appreciative that Lindsay comes in and talks. I think she has a lot of expertise, a lot of experience, and she's also, she's still young, so she understands how we feel. She understands what it's like to be in our shoes and then to have to go into the world. I think that her telling us what she would have done when she was our age, right, to keep her creativity even in the difficult moments, I think it really helps us, and I'm very glad she came in and talked to us.
So if there's one thing you take away from today, it's not if you are a creative person, it's not like, oh, I'm creative, you're not, whatever it is. It's what type of creative person you are.
This is the biggest thing the capstone program's ever done. It's the biggest thing we've ever done as students. The willingness and freedom to be creative allows us to be the best versions of ourselves, and that's a really difficult thing to do under pressure. But Lindsay's a prime example of you can do that and you should do that to be successful, for sure.
Like, think of creativity as a waterfall. And the waterfall is always flowing, but it just flows into different rivers.